The simulation hypothesis is a mind-bending concept that proposes the idea that our reality is, in fact, a computer-generated simulation. This theory suggests that what we perceive as the physical universe, along with all its laws, constants, and phenomena, is nothing more than a sophisticated virtual reality created by a highly advanced civilization. The origins of the simulation hypothesis can be traced back to philosopher Nick Bostrom's paper titled "Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?" published in 2003. Bostrom argued that at least one of the following three propositions must be true. 1. Civilizations never reach a post-human stage capable of creating realistic simulations. 2. If civilizations do reach such a stage, they are uninterested in creating simulations, or 3. We are almost certainly living in a computer simulation. Supporters of the simulation hypothesis argue that given the rapid advancements in computer technology, it is plausible that future civilizations could develop incredibly powerful computers capable of simulating entire universes indistinguishable from our own. They point to the rapid progress we have made in virtual reality and computer simulations as evidence of the potential for creating highly immersive and realistic simulated worlds. Additionally, proponents of this theory draw parallels to our own technological advancements, suggesting that if our civilization continues to progress, we too may one day create simulations inhabited by conscious beings. These simulated beings, known as simulated consciousnesses or simulated minds, could have thoughts, experiences, and subjective realities just like those of organic beings. One of the intriguing aspects of the simulation hypothesis is the concept of the simulation within a simulation. If our reality is a simulation, it is plausible that the beings running this simulation could themselves be part of a higher-level simulation. This idea gives rise to an infinite regress of simulations, with each level creating and running simulations within simulations. Critics of the simulation hypothesis argue that it relies on many assumptions and lacks empirical evidence. They contend that even if creating highly realistic simulations is possible, it does not necessarily imply that our reality is a simulation. They propose alternative explanations, such as the anthropic principle, which suggests that we find ourselves in a universe with the right conditions for life simply because if the conditions weren't suitable, we wouldn't be here to observe them. Despite the skepticism, the simulation hypothesis continues to captivate the imagination of many. It has even gained attention and support from notable figures such as Elon Musk, who has stated that the probability we are living in base reality is extremely low. Some philosophers and physicists are actively exploring ways to test this hypothesis, looking for potential glitches or inconsistencies in the fabric of reality that could hint at its simulated nature. In conclusion, the simulation hypothesis challenges our fundamental understanding of reality and raises profound philosophical and existential questions. While it remains a speculative idea, its implications and potential consequences have sparked intense debates and have inspired further research into the nature of our existence. As our understanding of technology and the universe continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how this theory unfolds and whether we will one day find evidence to support or disprove it.